All right. What's your name?
Lucas. Lucas Owen Escano.
All right. And you're gonna do another review because.
But I really like reviews, and I really like people to call me Lucas.
Call you Lucas? Okay. All right. So, LOL's review. Well, now, what are you gonna review now?
King Kong.
King Kong.
He's the biggest one ever, and I bought him from Walmart, and he comes with a little shoulder guy, but I don't know where I put him. I think I lost him. And when you hit his arms, they jiggle.
Oh, okay. Hey, he's mean looking, right? He's maybe he needs a banana or something. Ooh, look at him. He's scary looking.
And then I need to show you something.
What are you gonna show me?
It's a butthole.
What? No. No. Okay. He's pretty strong, huh?
Yes.
Okay, what's on his mark? Yeah, what's that on his chest?
The little scratches because that big old giant school guy, he's been scratching him and everything.
Oh man.
He has real long nails and he can scratch him like that.
Okay.
He's been scratching him on the chest.
So King Kong, he's pretty awesome. He's tough.
And there's little bitty tiny ears. Put the phone close.
Let me
so they can see.
Oh yeah, he does have little ears. For
Little.
a big old monkey, he's got little ears. Okay.
And
Or he's a what? He's a gorilla, right?
he's a gorilla or an ape.
Or an ape.
And his feet really look like his hands.
Mhm.
And that's his little nose and his eyes.
Yeah.
And then I'm done.
You're done?
And
Oh, cool. All right, hang on. Hey, well, you got to say, like, out of 0 and 10, how cool do you think?
I like it. 85.
85 from 0 to 10. Okay. 85. That's a pretty good review. All right, well, say your name and say bye and whatever you want to do.
My name is Lucas Owen Escano, and I am going to do another show today, and I hope you enjoy it.
All right. All right, say bye.
Bye.